We've seen that if we take an equation, we multiply it by -1, that will flip it over the x-axis. And we saw if we take an equation and multiply it by 4, it stretches out all the y values by a factor of 4. So now what happens if we multiply by a number like 1/4? Really what I have in mind here is any positive number between 0 and 1. So any positive number less than 1. If you multiply all of your y values by something less than 1 and still positive, then you're actually making all of your y values smaller this time. So the graph should kind of squish down vertically because all the y values are going to be pushed down to smaller y values by a factor of 1/4 or by a factor of 4. This time, since 4 is my largest y value on the original graph, and 1 is the largest y value on the second graph, I'm just taking the y values up to 4. So that allows me to scale the x and y axes the same and get a more natural looking graph. There's y equals x squared. Now let's see what happens when we multiply that by 1/4. You can see that it is just pushing that blue graph down. It's compressing it vertically.